It's HoneySmileZz here. It's after 3 a.m. and you're tossing and turning in bed. Why? Because your lovely spouse sounds like a chainsaw revving up. Snoring. It's the uninvited guest in your bedroom. Now let's talk about how this nightly concert disrupts your sleep. You wake up groggy, cranky, and let's be honest, ready to strangle someone with a pillow. And if you're thinking earplugs are the answer, think again. They pop out, and then it's back to square one. But hold on, there's a hero in this story, a knight in shining armor, if you will. Enter the anti snoring dental appliance. Yep, it's a game changer. This little marvel is non invasive, comfortable, and super effective. It fits like a dream, and more importantly, it targets the root cause of snoring. Imagine this, you pop in your dental appliance, and voila, peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. No more tossing and turning, no more frustrated sighs at 2 a.m. Still skeptical? Think about it. Earplugs and noise masking don't tackle the problem. CPAP machines are bulky and uncomfortable. And surgery, let's not even go there. So, next time your spouse starts their nightly symphony, reach for the anti snoring dental appliance. Trust me, it's like having your cake and eating it too. You get peaceful sleep, they get to keep breathing comfortably, and your relationship, it flourishes. So, what are you waiting for? Reclaim your sleep, reclaim your sanity, and maybe even reclaim your relationship. Say goodbye to those sleepless nights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Sweet dreams.